I thought this $150 tamper set was going to be a game changer, but after using it, I had to send it back. Here we have the IKAPE Espresso Toolkit. Now, it is $150. Do you want to spend $150 on all of this? Would it be worth it? Take a look at how it comes when you order it. The first thing here is the board. This is a nice towel, very absorbent. You get the tamper, dosing funnel, WDT distribution tool, gravity adapted brush, and puck screen. So you do get nice tools when you take them all out. It essentially looks like this. Let's take a look at everything. We get a little tamper here. We get a distribution tool, fun little brush, a dosing funnel. And then we have our WDT Weiss distribution tool. I just noticed on this box, it says, I keep a perfect espresso. IKAPE. Now, what I have found when you use this, you just want to be gentle with it. Pull it up. That looks great. You don't want to do this fast. When I do that, it pushes grounds out to the side. Centrifuge. Let's go ahead and use this since it came with the set. Ooh, that is a tough spring. Can you see all the dust stuck to it? What are you gonna do? Take my flat palm one. There's so much dust. You can see all the dust. That's okay. Here's my issue. This material, let me show you what happens. Pull it up and, oh man, did you see what just happened? All that coffee just stuck. Because of that, I have not used it. I spent $150 on all these pieces and I do not use this at all. It drives me crazy. Well, I really wanted to love this tamper set, but in the end, it did not enhance my workflow. So for now, I'm gonna have to stick to simpler tools that actually work for me. Let me know what you think. Remember, explore, learn, and brew together.